This video is the continuation of perimeter and area of circle. In previous video I had given you formulae and solved few sums. Now let's do some more difficult sums. It's a vast chapter. There are around 40-45 sums, all based on formulae. So you need to memorize the formulae and see the application. You need to understand the concept by solving the sums. Question number 7. It is diagram based. You have a circle. This circle has been divided in 4 parts by diameters. You have A, B, C and D. AC and BD are 2 diameters. They intersect each other at O, that is the center of the circle. And 2 parts of this figure has been shaded. Question says that calculate length of AC and circumference of the circle. Area of the shaded region is given. Area of shaded region 308 centimeters square. Look at the figure. Circle has been divided in 4 parts. Each part is known as quadrant. And when we add 2 quadrants, we get a semicircle. So area of shaded region is nothing but area of semicircle. So just below this we write area of semicircle equal to 308 centimeters square. Shaded region, when we combine together, we get a figure like this. And this figure is nothing but a semicircle. We use semicircle to calculate radius, and with the help of radius we can find AC diameter and we can calculate circumference. Semicircle is pi r square divided by 2, 308. Now we cross multiply. Pi r square equals to 308 into 2. 22 by 7, you have to calculate radius. 308 multiplied by 2. Again make r square the subject of formula. 308 into 2. 7 goes and multiplies the right hand side, and 22 will divide here. 2, 11 times 11, 2 times 22, 11, 8 times 88. R square equals to, multiply this 2, you get 196. R is equal to 196, which is equal to 14 centimeter. We know the radius. Now question says that calculate length of AC. If you look at the diagram, this AC is passing through center, and the line which is passing through center is known as diameter. Length of AC is equal to diameter, and we know how to calculate diameter. It is twice of radius. 2 into 14, which is equals to 28 centimeter. We know the first answer. Second one, question says that calculate the circumference of the circle. Circumference 2 pi r. Formula. All sums are based on formulae. 22 by 7, constant quantity, radius is 14, cancel 2 times, 88 centimeter. You just have to understand the figure. Shaded region combines together to give you semicircle. So area of semicircle is equal to the shaded region Substitute formula and calculate radius. You can solve question number 7b. Now number 8 is an important sum and it is a bit confusing, so you have to understand it properly. A bucket is raised from a well by means of a rope. So you have a bucket. This bucket is raised up from a well by means of a rope wound around a wheel of diameter. You have a wheel which is in form of circle. Diameter of wheel is given 77 centimeter. Given that bucket ascends in 1 minute 28 seconds, it moves up in 1 minute 28 seconds with a uniform speed. Movement of speed is given 1.1 meter per second. Calculate number of revolution this wheel makes by raising the bucket. So look at the question part. You just have to use this and the speed. Diameter, which is equal to 77 centimeter. We need to calculate radius using diameter. Radius is 77 divided by 2 centimeter. Leave it like this. You don't have to simplify and get the answer in decimal. Time is given. Time of ascent 1 minute 28 seconds. You cannot do calculation with two different units, minute and seconds. Convert into seconds. 1 minute is 60 seconds plus 28, which is equal to 88 seconds. We are given with speed by which the bucket is raising up 1.1 meter per second. You cannot use centimeter and meter again, so you convert this 1.1 into 100 centimeter per second, which is equal to 110 centimeter per second. Question says that calculate number of revolution, and there is a formula to calculate number of revolution. How many times this wheel is rotating? Number of revolution equal to distance divided by circumference of wheel. We do not know distance, and distance we can calculate using speed formula. Distance equal to speed multiplied by time. Speed we know 110 centimeter per second, and time we know 88 seconds. So we cancel seconds. 110 into 88 centimeter is the distance. Once you calculate distance, find circumference of wheel. Circumference of wheel. It is in form of circle, so 2 pi r. 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 into 77 by 2. 2 cancels. 11 times 22 into 11 centimeter. Leave it like this. You don't have to multiply it. Therefore, number of revolution equal to distance divided by circumference. Because circumference will be rotating, so you have to use circumference. Distance is 110 into 88, 22 into 11. Simplify this. 22 4 times, 11 10 times, you multiply, you get 40. So in raising the bucket, this wheel rotates 40 times. This is the simple calculation. Similarly, you can do question number 9. Same sum. Now look at this question number 10. Question says that circumference of circle is 123.2. Circumference equal to 123.2 centimeter. Find radius. We know circumference, so we write 2 pi r. 123.2. Substitute the value. 222 by 7. Radius you have to find 123.2. Cross multiply, make radius the subject of formula. 123.2 into 7 divides by 2 into 22. Remove decimal and then cancel it. It is divisible by 11. 11 2 times 22, 11 1, 11 1, 11 2. Again divisible by 2. 56. Divisible by 2. 28. Don't cancel it. 28 into 7 is 196 by 10, which is equal to 90.6 centimeter. We know the radius. Second part, you have to calculate area now. Area of circle. Pi r squared. 22 by 7, radius is 19.6. 19.6. Simplify this r squared, that is the reason why you have to write 2 times. Remove decimal 10, 10, now cancel it. 7, 2 times 15, 5 is left, 7, 8 times 56. 22 into 28 into 196 divides by 100. Again, you should not be cancelling because you have 100 at denominator. Replacement of decimal will be easier. Substitution of decimal will be easier, not replacement. So you multiply this 28 with 22. 8, 16, 56. Again 56. 6, 1, 6. Multiply by 196. 9 into 6 is 54, 5, 9, 14, 1. 9 into 6 is 54, 55, 6, 1, 6. Add it up. 4, 0, 6, 7, 11. So you write this one as 11704 divides by 100. Sorry, this is 196. I made a mistake. I wrote only 19. 616 multiplied by 196. 6, 6, 36, 3, 6, 1, 9, 36. 9 into 6 is 54. 5, 5, 9, 14, 1, 54, 55. 6, 1, 6, 6, 4, 13, 10, 16, 17, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you write 1, 2, 0, 7, 3, 6 divides by 100. 1, 2, 0, 7, 3, 6. 2 zeros means 2 decimal centimeters squared. This is how we calculate area with the help of radius. Third part, question says that effect on area if radius is doubled. You don't have to substitute the value, you can do calculation using radius. First part. Second part, take radius as r. Radius as 2r. Find area pi r square. Leave it like this. Area here pi 2r square. Simplify this, you get 4 pi r square. And if you do the comparison between these two areas, area is increasing by how many times? 4 times. So if radius is doubled, area increases to 4 times. If radius is tripled, area increases by 9 times. 3 square is 9. No calculations needed, only for radius you substitute and then see how many times it is increasing. So please do same question yourself. Question number 11. It is an important sum again. Question says that area enclosed between two concentric circles is 770. The area enclosed between two concentric circles is known as ring. And this area is given 770. Radius of outer one is 21. You have to calculate radius of inner circle. So area of shaded region 770 centimeter square. If you look at the diagram, area of shaded region is nothing but area of ring. So just below this we write area of ring, which is equal to 770. Right on the formula on the left hand side, pi capital R square minus small r square equals to 770. Now substitution. 22 divides by 7. Capital R is 21 whole square. You have to calculate small r. 770. Cross multiply. 22 441 minus r square equal to 770 into 7. Now you make subject of formula. 441 minus r square equal to 770 into 7 divided by 22. Simplify this. 11 2 times 11 70 times 2 35 times 441 minus r square equal to 7 into 5 is 35 3 7 21 24. Now make subject of formula. 441 minus 245 equal to r square. Subtract. 11 minus 5 is 6. 13 minus 4 is 9. 3 minus 2 is 1 equal to r square. R equals to root under 196. Square root of 196 is 14 centimeter. So you need to look at the diagram carefully and see what it means. Area enclosed between two concentric circles is area of ring. So we use area of ring formula. The entire chapter is based on formulae and you have to memorize it to do the sums from the exercise itself. Thank you very much. Stay safe.